Hey, ever wanted to make someone obsess over you without magic or love potions? Turn a simple meh into OMG, I can't stop thinking about you. Buckle up, because we're diving into the psychology of attraction. No tricks, just powerful tips to turn up the heat on someone's crush. It's all about playing the mental game right. Picture this, you walk into a room, eyes lock, and boom. Full-blown obsession. They can't eat, they can't sleep, you're all they think about. Sounds wild, right? But it's totally possible with these 12 psychological tricks. Trick 1, the chameleon effect. Alright, trick number 1 is called the chameleon effect. This one is all about mirroring the other person's behavior. Think of it as whispering, "Hey, we're on the same wavelength," without saying a word. People naturally like others who subtly mimic their gestures, speech patterns, and even posture. So, the next time you're with someone you want to charm, smile when they smile, laugh when they laugh, and maybe even mimic their body language a little. It makes them feel like you're both in sync, and they won't even realize why they feel so drawn to you. Trick 2, posture power up. Next up, we have the posture power up. Ever heard the phrase confidence is key? Well, it's not just a saying, it's a fact. How you carry yourself speaks volumes. Ditch that slouch and stand tall. Own your space like you own the room. Studies have shown that confident body language, like standing tall or keeping your shoulders back, makes you instantly more attractive. People are drawn to confidence, so go ahead, strike a power pose, and let them feel your presence. Trick 3, the name game. Here's a simple yet super effective trick, the name game. Everyone loves the sound of their own name. It's like music to their ears. So, use their name in conversation. Drop it casually here and there. Not in a weird way, but enough that it feels personal. Trust me, it creates an instant connection, making them feel like you've known them forever. The more you use their name, the more they'll feel seen and heard, and who doesn't love that? Trick 4, secret club for 2. Now, this one's all about creating a secret club for 2. What does that mean? It means creating a little world that only the 2 of you understand. Inside jokes, shared experiences, little moments that make it feel like you're in your own exclusive bubble. Exclusivity is intoxicating, it makes people feel special, and that makes you even more attractive to them. It's like you're saying, we have something that no one else does. Trick 5, eye contact tango. On to eye contact tango. Eyes are powerful. Holding someone's gaze for just the right amount of time can create a spark that feels electric. The trick is to hold eye contact just long enough to let them know you're interested, but not so long that it gets creepy. A well-timed gaze can make someone's heart race. So, lock eyes, let the sparks fly, but know when to break away. It's all about balance. Trick 6, talk therapy. Talk therapy is next, and no, I'm not suggesting you become their therapist, but listening goes a long way. People love talking about themselves, and if you can make them feel truly heard, they'll feel an instant connection with you. Ask them questions, listen intently, and show genuine interest in what they have to say. This trick is super simple but incredibly effective. Attention is an aphrodisiac. Trick 7, the Benjamin Franklin bait. Here's a quirky one, the Benjamin Franklin bait. Ever heard that people like those they do favors for? It's weird but true. If you ask someone for a small favor, like borrowing a pen or asking for advice, they'll start to like you more. It's called the Benjamin Franklin effect. Basically, when people do something for you, their brain justifies it by thinking they must like you. So, next time, ask for a little help and watch their affection for you grow. Trick 8, positivity potion. Positivity potion, this one's magic. Be the sunshine in their life. People are naturally drawn to positive energy, so bring the good vibes. Smile, laugh, and just radiate positivity. It's contagious, and it makes people want to be around you. Bonus tip, laughter is great for attraction, so don't be afraid to crack a joke or two. Trick 9, touchy-feely tango. Physical touch can be incredibly powerful when done right. That's where touchy-feely tango comes in. A casual brush of the arm, a playful nudge, these small touches can ignite a connection. But remember, always keep it respectful and be mindful of boundaries. Touch can create intimacy, but only when done with care. Trick 10, push-pull paradox. The push-pull paradox is a classic. Don't be too available all the time. Sometimes a little distance makes the heart grow fonder. If you're constantly around, they might start to take you for granted. But if you're sometimes unavailable or seem a little mysterious, it can leave them wanting more. Trick 11, twin telepathy. Twin telepathy is all about finding common ground. Shared interests create a sense of comfort, and comfort can easily turn into attraction. So, if you want to bond with someone, find those things you both love, whether it's a hobby, a show, or even a funny meme. The more similarities you share, the stronger the connection. Trick 12, show don't tell. Last but not least, show don't tell. Actions speak louder than words. It's one thing to say you like someone, but doing something nice for them? That's where the real magic happens. Surprise them, do something thoughtful, and let your actions do the talking. It's the ultimate way to show how much you care. Bonus tip, the mystery magnet: keep a little mystery alive. People are naturally intrigued by what they don't know. Don't reveal everything about yourself too soon, leave them wanting more. Be a bit unpredictable, keep them guessing, and they'll be drawn to you like a magnet. Mystery sparks curiosity, and curiosity fuels obsession. Now that you've got these psychological tricks up your sleeve, go out there and turn up the obsession meter. But remember, always use these tips ethically and with kindness. And hey, before you go, leave a comment below with your favorite trick or mind hack. Let's build a community of attraction alchemists. Stay charming, stay respectful, and let the fun begin.